Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you this used Rimor motorhome. It's a Catamarano 209. It's a 2018 model, so it's a used vehicle. 42,750. It's got 31,000 kilometers on the clock, and let's have a look inside. So the steps out, and I can actually walk in quite easily. And I'll close the door behind me because it's freezing outside. Well, you'd expect it to be pretty cold this time of the year. And right, so what have we got in here? We've got a closed door, so let's open the door up, and there is a very large double bed inside. We've got wardrobes at either side. We've also got storage above the bed. As I come around like this, I'll be able to show you what it looks like inside. There you've got also wardrobe there, and this being a used one, somebody's actually put this in, I think. I don't think it came with that. And there's your safe. There's actually two safes in here, I noticed, from the what do you call it? The information sheet. It seems a bit of an unusual place to put the safe. I think I'd have put it somewhere else. But anyway, that's just me. This, I've got to say, for a Rimor, looks remarkably good. Having said, it's probably because it's been used and a person had some taste. Television over there. We've got large windows at either side with the net curtains. Mirror over here, and we've got this large toilet with a sliding door, which gives a lot of space, I think. So it certainly adds to the space. On this side, we have got the shower, and doors to the shower there, of course, as well. Let's come out, and right, one thing, of course, note this: there's not going to be much of a garage in the back, so don't expect the garage because it's going to be too small. Now, I see that the previous owner had this installed. Makes sense. You can get the kitchen appliances to work from there. The shore power, 3 burners. That's in remarkably good condition considering how many kilometers it's got on the clock. And a sink. That's quite heavy. Of course, we've got here the drawers, and drawers down here as well. With the central locking. Ooh. Well, can't. Sorry, that's open now. That's all the central locking down. I was trying to push it in. Storage up here. Bed up the front there, and this will come up if you want this to come up to have more space. It's on a Renault Master here, as well as a reasonable amount of space up there. Now, a friend of mine, he just got himself an overhead. I was just an overcab. I was just talking to him yesterday, and he said, you know, you can leave an overcab, you can always leave the window up here open because it's so far up that it's not like in the camper van where he felt he couldn't actually do it. The nicely large window there. Oh, and this one is also Tele aircon system in here as well. So it does have a feeling of space inside. Over here we've got the fridge. So this is the freezer. Fridge, door, window, and I quite like this door. Oh, so as you open the door, the step comes out. Although I have been filming, I was filming when this thing came out in 2018. I don't think I've ever been in this one before. I don't think, at least I have. I've forgotten about it. So this is quite small, obviously, because isn't the space. This one comes here with three bikes it can carry. A bike holder for 3 bikes, and let's have a look around like that. Let's have another look at the description of the vehicle. I've decided I shouldn't really be looking at the end of the video before, not the start. Right, so it's 130 horsepower, 31,000 kilometers almost, and payload is, sorry, it's 3,500 gross vehicle weight. So I don't know, about 300 kilos of payload it'll have, something like that. I can't. A length 747, width 234, height, its highest point is 306. So it's 5 belted positions. You can have a look here. It's got this equipment inside, including 2 safes and a reversing camera as well. So there you go. That is the Rimor Catamarano and motorhome. I shall give you a link below to it, and to this particular vehicle, should you be interested in buying it. I always say to people, don't buy, rent. And once you've rented, don't buy new, get a used vehicle. So that's the sort of thing that might be of interest. It clearly has been looked after though very well. You could tell from the way, for example, in the kitchen, it looked really good inside. So thanks so much for watching this video. I upload every day at 21:15. I have the largest selection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube, so if you're looking for something, then this might be the place to actually find it. I also travel around, particularly around Europe, let's say, particularly around Poland and Germany, and so I sometimes also upload my videos from my travels. I have been living in a motorhome since 2011, so I do have a little bit experience behind me. I go to the trade fairs at Düsseldorf and at Stuttgart CMT trade fair every year, so you can see videos from there, and I go to Bad Kissing, Abenteuer und Allrad from time to time. Sometimes I go to other events as well. So thanks so much for watching. All the best from me, and bye for now.